Hi everyone, and welcome back to your awesome English lesson. This is Level 1, Lesson 2. And today we will continue learning how to make more fluent sentences. Today's topic is people, the people that we know, the people that you know. So let's start with some new vocabulary. Are you ready? I am. Here we go. It's a mother. It's a mother. Wait, that sounds wrong. It's a mother. Yes, it's a mother, but no. A woman, right? She is a mother. She is a mother. That's right. She is a mother. She's a mother. She's a mother. Remember in the last lesson, we added details, right? Big mother, small mother. Ooh, that sounds terrible, right? And that's an important lesson. A thing, a notebook, a thing, we can easily describe. It is a big book. It is an ugly chair. It is a big mom. That means she's fat. We don't want to say that. Let's think of different words to say how she is, not what she looks like. Before we said, this is a yellow pencil. Is this a yellow mom? Doesn't sound good either. So size, shape, color, it's bad for people. But we can describe them. How does she look? She is happy. Happy. There you go. We can describe how a person feels, how we think they feel. Happy, sad, scared, things like that. Fat? It's not kind. It's not nice. So, she's a happy mother. That is a great sentence. She's a happy mother. Whose happy mother? Whose happy mother? My. She's my happy mother. That is a fantastic sentence. She's his happy mother. She's his young mother. That's kind. That's nice. She's his young mother. That's a great sentence. Do you see how some things that we say can be good and some can be bad for people? Let's keep practicing new words, new people words, and see what can we say. Let's try number 2. So it's a man, right? We don't say it. That's wrong. That's for a thing, like a book. He, a man, he is a father. He is a father. That's a good sentence, but we can make it better. He is what kind of father? We said happy mother. We said young mother. Maybe he's a young father. He's a young father. He's whose father? We could say whose. We can say what kind of father. So let's put them together. He's a nice father. He's a nice father. He's her nice father. That is a great sentence. He's her nice father. He's my happy father. He's my young father. Bingo. Do you see how that's good? He's my brown father. It sounds bad. He's my fat father. It's not kind. So we have to be careful what we say when we talk about people. Remember, how we think they feel, good. And nice things about them, young, strong. He's my strong father. He's her strong father. That's a great sentence. When we talk about people, we say nice, kind words. Nothing that could be mean or bad. Let's try another one. Number 3. Who is he? Question. Who is he? You see the girl coming in, right? Who is he? He's her brother. 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 He's her brother. Okay. He's her brother. Who is he? Who is he? He's her brother. He's her, what kind of brother? Now, big can mean size, but big can mean how old. So he is older, right? Maybe she's 7 or 8 and he's 10. So he's her big brother. This is one of the only times you can use size because it's not size. Not really like shape size. It's age. He is old. He's older. He is her big brother. Do you see that? He is her big brother. That's a great sentence. Who's her? Which brother? Big brother. You see that? Who is he? He is her big brother. I think you're getting it. Let's keep practicing. How about number 4? There's 2 girls. 2 girls. But one is bigger, right? Bigger. Do they look the same? Same and same? Yes. So they are sisters. They, 2 people, they are means more, many. They are sisters. Who are they? They are sisters. Who is she? The one with the phone. Who is she? She is her big sister. She is her big sister because she's older, right? She is her little sister. Yeah, the other sister is young. She's smaller. Little. She is her little sister. Or older, she is her big sister. Who are they? Who are they? They are sisters. They are sisters. So who is she? She's her big sister. She's my big sister. Okay, we're getting this, right? She's my kind sister, my happy sister. She is my nice sister. She's my strong sister. Maybe. Let's keep going. Let's learn some more. How about the next one? Who are they? Remember, 2 people. Who are they? Who are they? Do they look the same? No, they look different. They are 2 people, are friends. They are friends. So who are they? They are friends. Who is he? Who is he? He is her friend. He is her friend. Who is she? She is his friend. Who are they? They are friends. Great job. Review one more time. Who is he? He is her friend. Who is she? Exactly. She is his friend. Who are they? They are my friends. They are your friends. They are friends. Do you see that? Who is he? Is he? He is. Who is she? She is. Who are they? They are. Pattern. Pattern. Let's keep going because you're doing great. The next one. Ooh. Who is he? Who is he? He's her boyfriend. Boyfriend. Yeah. He's her boyfriend. Ooh. He's her boyfriend. So, who is she? She is his girlfriend. Ah, that's easy. Who is he? He is her boyfriend. And who is she? She is his girlfriend. Ah, that's cool. Who are they? Who are they? They are boyfriend and girlfriend. It's easy, right? Ah, hey, who are they? Ah, they are boyfriend and girlfriend. Who is she? She's his girlfriend. She's his girlfriend. Is she your girlfriend? No, she's his girlfriend. You're doing great. Let's try another one. Ah, who are they? Right? There's two people. Who are they? Who are they? They are, let's do the first one. Who is he? Who is he? He is her husband. Husband. Right? Dun, 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 dun. The ring. Who is he? He is her husband. So, who is she? Who is she? She is his wife. Wife. So, who are they? What do you think? Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? They are husband and wife. They are husband and wife. Yeah, they are husband and wife. Who is she? She is his wife. Great. Who is he? He is her husband. Who are they? Very good. They are husband and wife. You are really doing great. Let's try another one. Who, there's one person here, one we're talking about. Who is he? Who is he? He is her son. son. A boy is son, right? A boy is son. He is her son. Who is he? He is her son. So, who is she? She is his mother. Great. Who is he? He is her son. Who is she? She is his mother. There you go. His kind mother, his pretty mother, young mother. Who is he? Her cute son, her little son. There we go. Now, how about this one? Who is she? Who is she? She is his daughter. Daughter. She is his daughter. Daughter. Okay, so she is his daughter. Who is he? He is her father. He is her father, and she is his daughter. Who are they? Who are they? They are father and daughter. They are father and daughter. Cool. So who is she? She is his daughter. Who is he? He's her father. Now you can change this for you. Who is she? She's my daughter. Who is she? Oh, she's my wife. Who is he? He's my father. Who is she? She's my little sister. Who are you? You are my friend. Now, this is a pretty cool lesson because we did many different things. And I hope that if it was fast, just watch it again. See at the end, who is he? Is he? Who? Question, is he? He is. Who? He is my father. Who are they? They are. Who is she? She is. It's a pattern and we switch it. So, I hope you had fun with this lesson because I did. Now, I will see you next time. You did great today. Really, you're doing awesome. Goodbye.